Okay, now we're going to do some door openings. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to zoom out. And if you hold with the orbit, if you hold the shift key, you can actually move this pan out. So I'm going to click on the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw a house size rectangle. Big one, right? And with the push pull, I'm going to make this, it has to be taller than the lady because the door, she's going to have to be able to go out through that opening, right? So now I have the box that's about somewhat of a size of a house. And now with the rectangle tool, I'm going to start at the top, right? Make sure that it's higher than her head so that she can go inside the thing that's for some reason now it's stuck on there. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, make it a little bit higher than our head, and then click and drag all the way down to the bottom of the box because you're not going to step up to the door. So again, that was one door, and you do another one. Start from the top and go all the way down to the bottom like this, and just draw from the top all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you fill the entire side of the box. Okay. Now we're gonna they're opening. So with the selection tool with the arrow key, you're gonna click on it, and then on the keyboard, click on the delete key. Click on with the selection tool, and then click on the delete key. Click on the opening, and then click on with the keyboard. Click on the delete key. Okay. Delete. There you go. Now we're gonna do. I'm gonna do this side one. I want you to do all four sides. So there you go, like that. Click. Start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom. Top, all the way down to the bottom. Top, all the way down to the bottom, like this. Okay. Now you can rotate this around. Just use the middle mouse button to scroll, and then again, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. Okay. Orbit, click on the orbit tool and the rectangle tool, and top to bottom, top. Oops, that doesn't look right. Control Z to undo if you make a mistake. Let me see, for some reason, sometimes you're not at the right angle, it doesn't like it. Now it seems to be on the center for some reason. That's weird. That's weird. Okay. So undo, Control Z. Now I'm going to just stop there, but before I do, it's going to take, and with the selection tool and the delete key, delete holes. Again, you're going to use the arrow key to select, and the keyboard delete key to delete that, like that. And let me see if I can finish this off here. I'm gonna, and no, it doesn't look like it. Yeah. Okay, there, there, there. Make sure you go all the way down to the bottom. We don't want to step up. We don't want to trip over the, doorway. There. And this is what you're going to turn in. Make sure you put your last name up here, and then call it door openings. Okay.